All right, guys, so today is a major milestone for Inflection, ticker symbol INFQ. The company has officially been added to the Russell 3000 index, and while some investors see this as just another headline, others believe it could improve the company's visibility and also attract additional institutional ownership over time. So in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what joining the Russell 3000 means, why investors pay attention to these index additions, and whether this could become a meaningful catalyst for INFQ stock. So let's break it down. Now, the Russell 3000 reconstitution officially takes effect after today's market close, with the updated index becoming effective at Monday's market open. And INFQ was included after meeting the Russell Index eligibility requirements, making it part of one of the most widely followed US equity benchmarks. So this matters because there are billions of dollars invested in funds that track or benchmark against Russell indexes. And when a company is added, index tracking funds typically adjust their holdings to reflect their updated index composition. And that can increase liquidity and institutional exposure. And although the exact amount of buying varies, and some of it may already be reflected in the stock price. So how exactly it is that the reconstitution works. Quick reminder before we continue. If you're enjoying the content and want to connect with the community, check out the first link below for the free InvestQ community. And if you want access to advanced stock research and tools, the second link is a Prophecy 7-day trial for just $7. And last, if you want daily market updates and behind the scenes content, follow me on Instagram using the third link in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. First, the companies are ranked based on market capitalization. Then the preliminary additions are announced. Then the final reconstitution happens after today's closing bell. Now, beginning Monday morning, INFQ officially trades as a Russell 3000 constituent. Now, why this could be bigger than just one good day of PR for the company is because investors sometimes overlook that the index inclusion isn't only about one day of trading volume. That's not the case. And what this means is, or why it's good, is because being in a major index can increase a company's visibility among institutional investors, analysts, and portfolio managers. It may also improve liquidity over time, and it's making it easier for larger investors to build or make their decisions on whether to build or reduce their positions. So real quick also, there's other bullish tailwinds other than just the addition to the Russell 3000, because the company also has discussed its UK manufacturing expansion and has announced a letter of intent with the US Department of Commerce. And while these developments don't guarantee future results, they help explain why some investors remain optimistic about the company's long-term direction. Now, the big question that investors are asking is, could most of this already be priced into the stock? And even though that it is certainly possible, markets often anticipate widely known events like index additions. And that means that the long-term impact may depend less on today's reconstitution and more on whether INFQ continues executing operationally and delivering on future milestones. Now, my personal takeaway on all this is I view the Russell 3000 inclusion as a positive milestone because it increases visibility and broadens the company's exposure to institutional investors. But with that being said, it's only one piece of the puzzle. And over the long run, what matters more is the things we always talk about, which is execution, revenue growth, and the underlying business and overall business performance. So I want to know what it is you think about INFQ being added to the Russell 3000. Let me know if you're very happy about it or if you're about it. Are you bullish, bearish, or neutral on the news? Let me know in the comments below. And also, feel free to let me know what it is you want to see in future upcoming videos, as I do love giving the content that you guys want to see. So with that being said, guys, stay safe. David with InvestQ out, and I'll see you on the next video.